Hey everyone, this week we're going to talk about common faults that make you lose distance with your driver. So I wanted to start here. If you look at this slide, I've drawn a line from my golf ball up to the top of my backswing. And this is that imaginary line, if you've heard of the terms casting, over the top, over the line, that people are talking about. We basically want that club working on or underneath that line to hit straight shots or draws. Most people work over that line because they use their arms and not their body to swing the club. So we're going to look at another slide here in a second. You can see this club here, I've used my arms to basically get the club on top of the line or over the line. And that's how you hit fades, you hit slices, you lose power. And in this first part of this series here for power loss, we're going to talk about the reverse pivot and how that may be affecting your golf swing. So we're back to slide one. I got rid of that imaginary line that we're trying to work the club on. And I've added another line through my right leg. So not a lot of people probably picked up on this, but my right leg is completely straight here in this video. And we're going to show you why that is a problem here with this next slide. So you can see face on, my right leg is straight, my upper body is moving to the left. And that's a problem because we want to be working from behind the ball, and as we start our downswing, move to our left. So if we're already in the position we want to be at when we hit the ball at the top, we can do one of two things. First thing, and it's the most common thing, is you just swing with your arms. And that's when we start working over top of that line like we saw earlier, and that causes fades, slices, inconsistency, and loss of power. The other thing that we can do is move back to our right side when we start our downswing, and then eventually move to our left again. And that's a problem because we're moving all over the place now, and we're going to sacrifice accuracy and consistency doing that. So you can see here in this clip, I have a bent right knee. I'm in a much better position. I've moved off the ball slightly from address. So from here, I can shift my weight to the left on my downswing and use the ground and my body to hit the golf ball rather than my arms. This is from a different angle here. You can see that club is working just below that line, so if I square it up properly, I'm going to hit a draw with this shot. And the reason that's possible is because I've transitioned just slightly off the ball in the backswing. So I have weight in my right leg, my right knee is bent, I'm not reverse pivoting, and using my body and the ground, I'm able to make more solid contact, create more power, and in turn hit better golf shots. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel below and be on the lookout for parts 2 and 3 of Power Loss.